Good morning. Compound microscope. We are using two convex lens. So one is a small aperture, it is the objective. Another one is a larger aperture, it is the eyepiece. What is the condition for the compound microscope? That is magnified image. Okay, listen. I will place object behind F. Okay, then I will get object behind the 2F and the enlarged image. This is final image, ma'am. That is the LDDB. Now we are discussing LDDB. If you have any doubt, refer the book diagram. Now listen, ma'am. Everyone listen here. The object BA, I will get image for in this area. This is the image location. B dash A dash. B dash A dash. Optical center. O. This is objective. This is eyepiece. So this is the eye point. This is focus. Behind the focus, I will place the object. Then I will get the image behind the 2F. This point F0. So this is FE. For in these lens, eyepieces, this is object, no? So we measured UE. This is UO, objective lens placing object, that is a UO. Up to that image, no? In this point, VO. This is LDDV, the least distant disinformation P. Okay, based on in this value, now we do for derivation. First, finding the magnifying power. Magnifying power formula tan beta by tan alpha. M equal to tan beta divided by tan alpha. Tan beta, the angle of beta, this is beta. Once again. This angle beta. Alpha value we are taking separately, na? That one I will draw extra diagram. That LDDVD from AB, this is H. Just apply the value of tan beta and the tan alpha. Tan beta, that is the H dash by UE. H dash, this is H dash. This one H. This is H dash. This is H double dash. Okay. Now M equal to H dash divided by UE, tan beta divided by tan alpha, H by D, H by D. So now H. Just rewrite the formula. M equal H dash divided by H. h dash by h dot d by ue. Now you know that h dash by h, it is m naught. M naught means what? Magnification of objective lens. D by ue, that is a V by u. No, M formula you know that h by h2 by h1. Another formula m is equal to V by u. In these two formula for the lens. H2 means what? Height of the image. H1 height of the object. From the diagram, H object, H dash image. Next, UE, the distance between object to lens, that is the eyepiece. D, distance between optical center to image, that is the D. M naught into ME. This is M. Equation number 1. We know that M naught, it is equal to h dash by h and m naught, it is equal to v naught divided by u naught. V naught divided by u naught. And listen, here we are introducing one term, that is that eyepiece is a compound microscope eyepiece. In this eyepiece act as a simple microscope. Eyepiece act as a simple microscope. For the simple microscope, LDDV one formula it is a infinity one formula it is a LDDV, you will get 1 plus d by f. 1 plus d by f. Infinity d by f. Just remember yesterday formula. Okay. So now you want to write like that. The eyepiece act as a simple microscope. Eyepiece act as a simple microscope. So directly we are using the formula ME. ME means magnification of eyepiece. ME, it is equal to D by UE. Again it is equal to 1 plus D divided by FE. This is equation number 2. Okay. See here, we know the formula. For M naught formula also we know that ME formula also that. Both formula we are applying into first equation. M equal to M naught into ME. M equal to M naught. The M naught formula V naught divided by U naught. V naught divided by U naught. V naught divided by U naught into ME. ME formula 1 plus D divided by FE. This is third equation. Okay, using in this formula, we should find the magnification power of compound microscope. Okay, up to that, take a notes. This is a diagram, formula M. tan beta divided by tan alpha, apply the value of tan alpha and tan beta, and the m formula m naught into me, m naught value v naught divided by u naught, me, me means magnetic power of eyepiece. Eyepiece act as a simple microscope, so that you can take directly formula 1 plus d by mp. That's all. In the diagram part, if you have any doubt, kindly refer in your textbook. Okay. That is equation number 3 it is done now. In the third equation, again I am rewriting u naught value. It is equal to minus f naught, and v naught value, it is equal to L. L means tube length. So now m naught equal to v naught divided by u naught. V naught value L, u naught value f naught minus. Just apply the values, you will get m equal to m naught. Instead of m naught, I am applying L, capital L divided by f naught 1 plus d by fe. So this is the final image at D. In question paper, they are giving L value, F naught value is used in this formula. This is equation number 4. Please take a note. Next derivation, when the final image is formed at the infinity, this is LDDV derivation, least distance division. Next we will discuss when final image is formed at the infinity. L means the length of the microscope tube, otherwise tube length, distance between two lenses, that is L. Okay, next derivation, when the final image formed at the infinity. Listen, this is object position. Kindly wait now, after you can draw the diagram. One second. Yes. When the final image is formed at the infinity. Diagram. Objective lens, eyepieces. This is an object. H1 or H dash. This is image. H. This is H dash. Final image at the infinity. Okay, the position of object. It is beginning the F naught only one. But for in this area, object position, image position, both also equal. UE, it is equal to FE. Both also equal. Then only you will get image at the infinity. In this condition, we are using. Okay, this is the condition of when final image is formed at the infinity. It's a very simple derivation. The magnifying power, M formula, M naught for objective, M naught equal to H dash divided by H. Then we will get L by F naught minus F naught. Next eyepieces, ME formula, ME equal to D by FE. ME, magnifying power of eyepieces, that is a D. D divided by FE. Now M naught value H dash by H. H dash is equal to L. H value is equal to minus F naught. That V formula is no V by M equal to V by U in this formula. Now total magnification M equal to M naught into ME. Then you will get M equal to minus L divided by F naught into D divided by FE. This is my last formula. That's all. In question paper, they are asking compound microscope, draw a ray diagram, compound microscope when final image at infinity. We draw in this diagram under formula enough. In case first derivation they are asking is only LDDV. That they didn't mention anything LDDV or anything in general, which is easy for you. That one you can do it. Okay, clear? Any doubt? One second, ma'am. Okay, next telescope it is there, no? Telescope topic only. Astronomical telescope. We'll discuss tomorrow class for the astronomical telescope. It will take time. That's all. So astronomical telescope completed means we completed chapter number 9. Okay. It is a big chapter. I know very well. Kindly read properly day by day. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, don't waste the time. Already I shared notes also.